Who doesn't love Vaseline? Vaseline has so many uses. It is an amazing lip balm. It suits dry and cracked skin and can be used to remove eye makeup. You can also use Vaseline as a brightening mask. Making a Vaseline alternative could not be easier, and you only need 2 ingredients for this recipe. Have you ever wondered if you could make your own Vaseline? Because as we all know, the normal Vaseline we know it's not that healthy, as it is made with petroleum, and we all know petroleum, it's a mineral, and the last thing we want to do is use a mineral on our skin. So guys, let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to need beeswax, and we are also going to need olive oil. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of beeswax into a saucepan and 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm going to heat these ingredients together on a very low heat until the beeswax has melted. While it's still warm, I'm going to pour the mixture into a sterilized container and leave it to cool. Once it's cooled, you see that your Vaseline, your homemade Vaseline, has hardened up. And yeah, for this recipe you can actually add in any essential oil which you deem fit. You can add in eucalyptus oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, or lavender oil, any of your choice to spice things up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.